We learned a lot from Officer Salty because she really helped us with our ocean unit, and she also helped us with experiences with the ocean and ocean creatures and stuff like that.
I think it was really nice because we got to learn kind of how everything works and kind of the ecosystem of the ocean and kind of what the Gulf of Maine looks like. And so one of the things I learned about the Gulf of Maine is the different banks in it, like George's Bank, and kind of how where the water really drops off. So I kind of thought that just dropped off from shore, but it doesn't. It just gets deep, but then it gets really deep. So that's one thing I thought was interesting.
End of the 6-week Salty program, we want students to walk away with an appreciation for the animals of the Gulf of Maine and the Kennebec estuary. We want them to understand the larger scope of this vital ecosystem along the coast of Maine. And we want them to have a good science background on why these creatures matter, not only to the natural environment, but in many cases, why they matter to the people of Maine.
One of my favorite memories from last year is when we dissected the squid.
Do you remember?
I remember everyone being grossed out, but it was kind of cool.
Drape the head and the arms and the tentacles over your hand. You're looking for this little point right here. It comes to a point. You're going to take your nail, kind of scrape off the skin off the top of that point so you get down to a layer that kind of looks clear, like plastic. All right? See how that is kind of clear? So grab the tip of that and pull. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. So right there, this is the pen. This is what gives the squid's body structure. This is their modified shell.
The coolest and grossest things at the same time was the squid dissection. When we were taking out the eyeballs and the guts of it, it was pretty gross, and it was also cool. It was also a cool experience for the whole class.
If you were talking to the KELT members, what would you tell them about the Officer Salty program right now?
First of all, I would tell them how unbelievably fortunate they are to have Becky Kolak as their Officer Salty, because she just has this wealth of knowledge and passion about the subjects that she's teaching, and it's such an amazing program that they're able to bring to schools to increase students' engagement and understanding of this really valuable ecosystem that we live in, the lower Kennebec Valley estuary. So thank you.